Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Jaipur. Number 1. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. Number 2. It is the capital of Rajasthan, India. Number 3. The city is known for its vibrant culture. Number 4. Jaipur was founded by Maharaja Jai Singh II. Number 5. The city was established in 1727. Number 6. Jaipur is famous for its historic forts and places. Number 7. Hawa Mahal is a popular landmark in Jaipur. Number 8. Amer Fort is a major tourist attraction. Number 9. Jaipur has an international airport in Sanganer. Number 10. Jaipur is a major tourist destination in India. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.